Globes show the location and size of countries and bodies of water in relation to each other. Maps are flat, but Earth is round. Most flat world maps do not show the planet correctly. The shapes and sizes of the land are not always to scale. Flat maps show Earth with the top and the middle as the same width. This causes the size of countries to be distorted. It makes them appear bigger or smaller than they actually are. Since globes are round, they keep everything at the correct scale. They provide the most accurate view of the oceans and land masses on Earth. Learning about globes. There are different kinds of globes. Physical globes show things such as continents and oceans. They also show forests and other natural features such as deserts. Sometimes they have bumps and ridges to show the mountains. They show Earth as it looks from space. Some physical globes show colors such as green and yellow to represent forests and deserts. Most globes use bright colors to help students see the country borders more easily. Political globes show countries and states in different colors. They show the borders between different places in Earth. You can find other countries easily on these types of globes. Most globes are about the size of a basketball. They are mounted on an axle. The axle allows you to spin the globe. This is just like how Earth spins in space. There are many sizes of globes. The largest revolving globe in the world is called Eartha. It is in Yarmouth, Maine. Eartha weighs approximately 5,600 pounds. It is more than 41 feet tall. That is taller than a telephone pole. Lines on globes. Globes often have many different lines around them. The equator is a line that goes around the globe at the widest point. This divides the planet into the northern and southern hemispheres. Earth's equator is approximately 24,900 miles. The Tropic of Cancer is another line around the globe. It is north of the equator. The Tropic of Capricorn is a line south of the equator. Between these lines is a tropical region. Temperatures here are very warm. The Arctic Circle is a line around the top of the globe. The Antarctic Circle is a line around the bottom of a globe. The Arctic and Antarctic circles show Earth's polar regions. These regions are very cold. The globe is also covered with a grid of lines. Lines that run from east to west are called lines of latitude. Lines that run from north to south are called lines of longitude. You can explain exactly where you are on Earth using these lines. Some globes have lines showing different time zones. The International Date Line runs down a globe from top to bottom. It determines what time it is around the world. Globes show us where other countries are. They show us what the world looks like. Globes teach us more about the world.